Okay, so for the first dashboard, we're going to start with sales revenue by market. So we're going to bring market into the rows and sales into the columns. And then we're going to sort this top down, add a sales label. I'm going to format this so that we have it in millions and one decimal place. Call this sales by market. Next one is going to be profit ratio by market. So again, we're going to take market into the rows. We're going to create this profit ratio, which is going to be profit divided by sales. Hit OK. So now we have profit ratio and go here. We have to make sure that go to measure average profit ratio, default properties, aggregation is average, and then we can take our profit ratio to label and format this so that it's at a percentage, one decimal. We'll sort this largest to smallest, and then highlight this color. So we'll call this Africa. Close that. Take Africa into the colors, edit, make this orange, and call this profit ratio by market. Our next one we're going to do is sales revenue by category. So we're going to take our category into the rows, do sales on top, format this, put sales label on, make sure that it's formatted. We're going to go to custom, millions, one decimal place again. And give this a label. And then, we're going to delete that. We're going to create a new sheet, and then we're going to do profit ratio by category. So take category, profit ratio, get those, sort those top down. We're going to add profit ratio labels. Again, format these so that they're in a percentage, one decimal, and then furniture is going to be highlighted. Turn that there, and then close that. Bring furniture into colors, edit color in an orange. Okay, so we can create our first dashboard. Just going to have all of the four that we just made here and this here. I can rename this to profit ratio by category so that when we go on the dashboard, it's there. So we can create a new sheet. The next one we need is profit ratio in the African market. So we're going to take market, filter it so that it's just Africa. And then we're going to take country in the rows and do profit ratio in columns. And then take this show me button and get the map. So now that we have that map there, we can call this profit ratio in African market. And then create another one, which is profit by country in Africa. So we're going to take our market, again, filter that to Africa. Countries go in the row. And then profit goes in the columns. And then we're going to make sure we sort that smallest to largest. And then we're going to add a label of our profit onto the label and then highlight these three here. Keep set. And we're going to make those also highlighted. So we're going to put those, edit the colors, go to in and orange, hit OK, and we can create our next dashboard, which we need profit ratio by market. Here we want profit ratio in the African market. Oh, I'm gonna make sure that's down bottom. And then this one we just created on the left, and I'll rename this to profit by country in Africa. And then the last few sheets we need is profit ratio by subcategory. So we're going to take our category into the filters of furniture. And then we're going to take our subcategory into the rows. And in the columns, we want the profit ratio. So we'll take the profit ratio, put it up here. Then we'll make sure this is like that. And we're going to get a label on there. So profit ratio, format. So this is in a percentage, 1 decimal place. And this is going to be highlighted. So we're going to take tables, create a set. And once again, put tables on the color. Edit colors in an orange. Click OK. And we will rename this to profit ratio by subcategory of furniture. And then the last one we need is negative profit by tables. So we're going to take our subcategory, filter this to just tables. Then we're going to put subcategory in the row. So we have just, oh, no. We're going to take country into the rows, and then we want profit up here. We can format this negative, and we're just going to keep the top view. So we're going to come all the way down to Sweden. Select all of these and keep only. And then we're also going to add sales to the other side of this. Take sales here. And then we can rename this to negative profit by table by country. And we can create our last dashboard, which is profit ratio by category, and then profit ratio by subcategory, and then this negative profit here. And then I'll take these out so we have full screen. And there's our last dashboard.